Hello my friends, welcome back. It's your girl Estelle and I hope you're all doing well. So guys, I'm back this week with a new recipe to share with you. Yes guys, your girl Estelle is back this week with the easiest idea of how to make the best marinade ever. That will go with any of your dishes. So the marinade I will be making today will be good to use on any type of meat, chicken or fish. The ingredients I will be using today are a combination of vegetables and few seasonings. The instructions about how to make this marinade is very easy and simple to follow, and I'm sure if you guys watch the video till the end, you would love this recipe and you will want to give it a try. So guys, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. Let's gather the ingredients to make this delicious marinade. 1 large red onion cut into chunks, 1 white onion cut into chunks, 1 medium-sized red bell pepper cut into chunks, 1 medium-sized green bell pepper cut into chunks, 1 medium-sized yellow bell pepper cut into chunks, 3 small fresh tomatoes cleaned and chopped, a portion of ginger, 10 garlic cloves, 1 squeeze fresh lemon juice, about 10 red Scotch bonnet pepper deseeded, but you can use less if you wish, a portion of fresh basil, a portion of fresh parsley, and a small portion of fresh thyme, but you can use dry thyme if you do not have fresh thyme. And then for my dry ingredients, I'll be using 2 tablespoons of grounded mixed peppercorns, and this is how it looks like. 2 vegetables bouillon cube crushed, a teaspoon of grounded nutmeg, and I will be using the roasted grounded nutmeg, and this is how it looks like. The darker ones are the roasted one and the white ones aren't. 1 tablespoon of grounded cayenne pepper, and these are how the cayenne peppers looks like in case you want to know what it looks like. 1 tablespoon of eeeh. I don't really know the name in English, but that is how it's called, eeeh. And these are how the eeeh looks like. I'm using about 5 of them for this recipe. 4 roasted red chili pepper, some salt to taste, and finally I've got 1 star anise and 4 dried bay leaves, which I will be using to keep it in the jar when the marinade is done, in order to help preserve the marinade and also to keep it fresh. Next, add all the vegetables into the blender except the 4 dried bay leaves and the star anise seed, as we're going to use it later to preserve the marinade. Then blend it until smooth. Alright guys, I've got some advice and tips for you in the next video before we start blending our vegetables. When it comes to making your marinade, whether you are making your marinade to preserve it for later use or you are making your marinade to use it on the day, the last thing you want is using water to blend your ingredients. My advice is always use some oil along with your ingredients to blend in order to achieve your marinade. The reason be, if you use water to blend your ingredients for your marinade, especially if you are making your marinade for a later use, your marinade will go moldy before then and you won't be able to use it. Once blended, before you start to use it, taste it first to make sure the salt level is to your desired taste. Next, transfer your marinade into a jar or a bowl, but don't forget to add the star anise and the 4 dried bay leaves. Then finish by adding a bit of oil on top of the marinade, as these will help to preserve your marinade if you are going to store it. Then you are ready to start using your very own homemade delicious marinade. Like I said earlier on, this marinade would taste delicious on any kind of meat, including chicken and fish. Alright guys, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a try. If you like what I've done, you like the recipe, give it a try and let me know in the comment section below how it turns out. And also don't forget to give the video a like, comment, share with your families and friends. And also if you are new to my channel and if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share with your families and friends. Until then guys, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye.